Hey, this is Michael Good from reapertrades.com with your daily trade recap on the 24th of February. An exciting day for me today, and not the bad kind of exciting, which is good. First off, I'll show you NVLT, which was a bounce play, and I was impatient with it. Where did it close? I bought it at 30 cents. It gapped down a whole bunch because of horrible drug results. Their drug was rejected by the FDA. It might be their only drug, I'm not sure. And I bought at 30 cents, sold like just about 31, closed at 32. So if I'd had a lot more patience, I could have made a little more money, but still. Played it small because it's not my normal thing. RCYT, recycle something. What's it stand for? I don't know. Well, anyway, this was a pump last couple days. So yesterday I bought in the pre-market and then sold on this spike here, then bought back somewhere around here, sold at the very low here, and then bought some more right here and held overnight. I sold those right after the open, 1/3 here, and then the other 2/3 right after each other, right near the top when I saw it looked really sketchy on level 2. And pinksheets.com had free level 2 on this, so that helped, because IB does not have level 2 for pink sheets. And then it dropped like a rock. With these things, it's a pump, especially if it's been pumped multiple days, it's going to drop. Don't hold these too long. I saw somebody say they had a loss on this because their stop was too loose. It's like, oh, no, you don't have a stop. You have a time when you get out. If it starts to not look strong, you get out. Actually, you should start getting out when it looks strong. Always sell into strength, because when it comes time that it starts to look really weak, everybody tries to sell at once and it drops like a rock and you can't get filled. That's what people who are long in XTH discovered when that thing dropped. So anyway, total last couple days, RCYT almost $1,000 in profit. Buying pumps, my net profit is, or net loss is down to about $400 or so for the year. Very good. Amok. This is the new Jarrett Wolstein pump, looking a little NXTH-y, if you know what I mean. And so just sort of slowly, let's go to the 1 day here. Just sort of slowly moved up all day. I should have gone in right around 170, but oh well. Still not a bad entry. And may keep going up for a couple weeks before crashing, but you never know with a pump. I'm probably going to hold it just a couple days, and I'm going to have a trigger finger. I'm going to have my finger on the sell button the whole time I'm holding this. Why? Because it's a pump. When it does crash, whenever that may be, it may be in a few days, it may be in a few weeks, it's going to drop like a rock. So somebody said, oh yeah, I'm going to follow you in this trade, Reaper. It's like, okay, but just be aware. This is the one kind of trade with penny stocks that absolutely scares the crap out of me. I mean, I can buy something that's getting a couple day pump because I know how those work, and it goes up, it goes down, you watch the volume, you watch this. But this, I mean, it just looks so manipulated. How the heck do you know when it's going to dump? So I do not like this. And this is something that scares me, who's been playing around with penny stocks and pump and dumps for 2.5 years now. Other things, IFLG. I was hedged long and short IB and SOGO yesterday overnight. So that's why you have this $800 loss here. So when I sold the shares I was long here, I ended up getting net short. You see, I did this at a really horrible time here. And that was unfortunate. Should have waited. The problem with these things is I should have waited for the bounces. There's always these bounces. Buy low, sell high. That's how it works. Trade around the bounces around a core position. I'm not Tim Sykes. I don't have hundreds of followers, so I don't need to worry about trading against my followers. That's something to keep in mind. And SOGO, better. And I just traded this multiple times. I'm short 3,000 shares overnight. But the summary, realized 3,200 minus the 800 loss at IB, that's realized 2,400 or so, and 3,000 overnight that I'm in the red on because of that late day spike. That's it. Catch me next time, reapertrades.com.